Hey there. We're moving into the agentic era, where computers aren't just tools, they're teammates. Experts say 2025 is the year of AI agents. That means a massive, multi-trillion-dollar opportunity. So, what is an AI agent? Think of it like a smart student. It can see its task, make decisions, and take action to complete a goal all by itself. It's not just a chatbot that answers questions, it's a worker that does the work. We have proof this works. Meet Devin, the world's first AI software engineer. Devin fixed real world software issues on its own. This proved that powerful, autonomous agents are now real. Devin is great, but big projects need a team. Asking one AI to build a whole app is like asking one person to be the developer, tester, and designer all at once. That's why the industry is now moving toward teams of agents, namely multi agent systems. In a multi agent system, each AI gets a specific job. One is the code reviewer, another is the API builder, and another is the UI tester. You can build these teams using popular tools like CrewAI and AutoGen. So what do? You become the coach of your AI team. This is called HI plus AI equals ECI. You provide the strategy, creativity, and ethical judgment. The AI handles the speed, coding, and heavy data lifting. But watch out. These teams have risks. Sometimes agents disagree, which we call AI collisions. That's why we need safe fail checkpoints where the human coach always reviews the most important decisions. Global analysts forecast a major global economic transformation. This massive shift is driven largely by the implementation of autonomous and agentic AI systems. Master this new teamwork to unlock outcomes far beyond what any single person or single AI could achieve.